which did not exist until yesterday. The Honk Pickup Band. Honk Pickup Band. British Columbia, the Carnival Band. Vancouver, British Columbia, Carnival Band.
Oh, we're all gonna die. Oh, my friends and I. So let's stand proud and strong. Take that rolling on.
The Carnival Band from British Columbia, followed by Food Not Bombs from Jamaica Plain. Food Not Bombs. And more Bredent Puppet Theater banners. Cheap art and political theater from Bredent Puppet Theater. Bredent Puppet Theater. And now next from Oakland, California, Liberation Orchestra. Brass Liberation Orchestra. Brass Liberation Orchestra. Community Spoke from Jamaica Plain. Community Spoke. Bicycle Repair Collective. And now approaching from New York City, the great brass band Veveritse from New York City. Playing Balkan brass music. Selected pilots from Skull. Thank you, Skull, for riding. Whoa. Nice bikes. Skull, your local Skull group, S-C-U-L. All right, bike surfing. Following Skull from Atlanta, Georgia. The Seed and Feed Marching Abominable. Atlanta's wildest community band since 1974. Approaching Harvard Square, a comparsa, a community parading group inspired by the comparsas of Bolivia. Endangered species with lipstick. What does that mean? Endangered species with lipstick. Fat cats unite. Endangered species with lipstick. Welcome. Fat cat unites. Cats unite. And now, from Providence, Rhode Island, the What Cheer Brigade. What Cheer Brigade. From Santa Rosa, California, north of San Francisco, a new band, the Church Marching Band. Church Marching Band from Santa Rosa, California. Thank you for coming all the way from California. Church Marching Band. Watch them, hear them play later. And now the Boston area Fire and Flow Spinners. Fire and Flow Spinners. Celebrating the freedom and expression of art through movement. Holy Toledo. No way. Fire and Flow Spinners. And Jugglers. Followed by the Red Bandana Brigade, supporting unions. Thank you, Poi Spinners. The Red Bandana Brigade. Jobs with Justice. And now, approaching from Chicago, Illinois, perhaps the most colorful band, well, that's hard to say, Environmental Encroachment from Chicago, Illinois. Environmental Encroachment. Following environmental encroachment, Veterans for Peace, Chapter 9, the Smedley Butler Brigade. Named for the most decorated Marine in U.S. history, Smedley Butler, who after 33 years in the Marines wrote the book War is a Racket, the few profit, the many pay. See the Veterans for Peace booth here at Oktoberfest. Thank you, Veterans for Peace. We salute you. Thank you, veterans. And now from Portsmouth, New Hampshire. From Portsmouth, New Hampshire, the Leftist Marching Band. Leftist Marching Band. From City Life, Vida Urbana. Papel Machete, also. City Life, Vida Urbana. The Open Air Circus from Somerville. The Open Air Circus. Welcome, Open Air Circus from Somerville. And now, approaching Harvard Square from this Quebec City in the province of Quebec, Tintanar, the Intergalactic Anarchist Marching Band, started in 2009. Tintanar. From Quebec City, supporting movements, initiatives for collective liberation and social justice. Tintanar. Occupy Boston. They're back. Occupy Boston. Occupy Boston. Occupying Harvard Square right now. New York City, Rude Mechanical Orchestra. Rude Mechanical Orchestra. New York City-based radical marching band that brings brass and sass to protests, picket lines, parades, and benefit. Forward Marching Band. The Forward Marching Band from Madison, Wisconsin. From Madison, Wisconsin, the Forward Marching Band. Welcome, Forward Marching Band. Brass band from Denver, Colorado. Denver, Colorado. Started by a trumpet player from Emperor Norton's stationary marching band here who moved there and started a new band, the Gora Gora Orchestra. Actually not from Denver, from Boulder, Colorado. Boulder, Colorado. They sprouted like defiant pine trees in the Rocky Mountains, disrupting the local music scene with their exotic sound, redefining what a community band could do. Gora Gora Orchestra from Boulder, Colorado. The Royal Frog Ballet. They are not frogs, they're people. A performance and installation collective based in Western Massachusetts. They organize and create work for community gatherings and events. Performing several shows this fall. You can see them more. The Royal Frog Ballet. The quietest band in the parade. The Royal Frog Ballet. Thank you, Royal Frog Ballet. And right behind them, also from Western Massachusetts, the Expandable Brass Band. From Western Massachusetts. And now, the Cambridge Kids Cooperative. The Cambridge Kids Co-op. And right behind, the Dirty Water Brass Band. Dirty Water Brass Band. Unaffiliated Kids Cyclists. Thank you, Kids Cyclists. Following up behind, the First Church Somerville Band and Drag Gospel Festival. The Drag Gospel Festival and the First Church Somerville Band. Thank you, Drag Gospel Festival. First Church Somerville, UCC. The Freedom Ferries Against Apartheid. Tufts Students for Justice in Palestine. Tufts Students for Justice in Palestine. Seeking to bring the Palestinian narrative to campus and beyond. Engaging discourse in festive civil disobedience. And now from Montreal, Quebec, our friends from Chaotic Insurrection Ensemble. Chaotic Insurrection Ensemble. Welcome. Congratulations for the student demonstrations in Quebec, which succeeded in lowering tuition. Chaotic Insurrection Ensemble. Following Chaotic Insurrection, the Derby Dames. Boston's first and only all-female DIY skater-owned and operated flat track roller derby league. And proud members of the Women's Flat Track Derby Association. Over 60 members strong. The Boston Derby Dames. The Boston Derby Dames. Hooray! All right.
Boston, Boston, pitch, pitch, pitch. Boston, Boston, pitch, pitch, pitch. Boston, Boston, pitch, pitch, pitch. Boston.
Following the Derby Dames, approaching from New York City with dancers, the Hungry March Band. The Hungry March Band. They're incredible. These people have never danced with Hungry March Band before. Volunteers from the street for Hungry March Band. Local dancers. Hungry March Band, New York City. Extraordinary Rendition Band. Extraordinary Rendition Band. ERB. Extraordinary Rendition Band. Followed by Amnesty International. Calling for the protection of artists and their freedom of expression. Somerville Amnesty International. Austin, Texas. Minor Mishap. Launching band. Harley the Bison. Harley the Bison. Beautiful sculpture with a political message. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The name of the band is Lungs, Face, Feet. Lungs, breathe with, face, and feet. From Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Lungs, face, and feet. Welcome. Welcome, lungs, face, feet. Lungs, face, feet. Yay, Pittsburgh. Is from Burlington, Vermont, the Brass Balagan. A radical street band from Burlington founded in 2010. The Brass Balagan demands the immediate elimination of all evil. Brass Balagan. Himalayas. Himalayas. From New York. Followed by some monkeys. Brooklyn, New York. Ja Ra Ra. Ja Ra Ra. Carnival parades in many countries of the Caribbean travel at a much slower pace. Parades in North America, they figured they had fun. As you can see, Ja Ra Ra from Brooklyn, New York. Brooklyn, New York, Ja Ra Ra.
Yeah, I told him my place today. The main event today, obviously, it's not us. So make sure that you're well aware of that. It's great though. It must make you feel good to look out over seeing people like this and know you did it.
Yeah, thank you. I got
Louisiana, young fellows, brass band from New Orleans, Louisiana. And now approaching hometown favorites from Somerville, Cambridge, with a huge array of silk dancers, Emperor Norton's Stationary Marching Band.
Yeah!
Emperor Norton's Stationary Marching Band.
I love Emperor Norton.
That's the stuff you guys get.
They're my boys. They're the ones that sound like they should be on it.
Guys, we're having a wild conversation now.
Emperor Norton, stationary marching band. Thank you, Emperor Norton, stationary marching band. From right here, from Somerville. Somerville. Following Columbia event, Honk Parade Arts. Just down Mass Ave. Honk Parade Arts. Beautiful. Thank you. Honk Parade Arts. And bringing up the end of the parade from Somerville.